galaxy celebrates 30 years of Junior. Some exaggerate a little. Others are simply happy with their Junior. Until then, galactic diving technology was, well, problematic. Junior was the game changer. This breathing air compressor is safe. It makes clean air. It never fails. It is easy to move. How did it come about? One of our teams came across the planet Terra, or Earth, as the natives call it. They have a television program there after which the planet was named, or vice versa. The presenters of this program were divers, perhaps the best. We found them in the middle of nowhere, in a magical water world, with mysterious creatures. We didn't care about them. It was the presenters, Florian Huber and Uli Kunz. And they had this wonderful breathing air compressor with them. We traveled to the most remote places for our TV shows. It is mobile and can be easily carried alone or in pairs. It delivers clean air and, above all, is reliable. An entire expedition can depend on it.
Junior.
This is how pure breathing air spread through space. Galactic, the BAUER Junior.